Okay, Chris. Taco night. I bought Sadie a high chair. Ready? There she is. There she is.
I love
She was quiet. Look at my plate's empty. I got to eat. You're such a good girl. You're a good girl.
I love you. Good smile.
She's like, no.
Good smile. She smiles so big.
You smile, Sadie Bug. Hi, Sadie Bug. Hi, baby.
Ava, Sadie, Sadie, Sadie. I love you. I do. I do. I love you.
There she goes. Hi, pretty girl. You big girl. Are you a big girl now? Oh. You come over here. No, mommy's over here. Sadie Bug. Sadie. 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 There's your high chair, Daddy.
Getting long. That's beautiful hair.
It's gender neutral. Sadie. There's Lisi.
Well, I was waiting
Elise.
for everybody else to get.
Hi, pretty girl. Say hi. Hi.
Big taco eater over here.
Look at, she's had like 4 portions of meat. Yoma, noma, noma.
He's a taco eater.
There's Trisha. Hi, say hi, Bobby.
Hey Chris, this taco, this one here was yours.
Oh, okay. I'll go now, Chris. Bye.